How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can fix the problem if the WhatsApp contacts name are not showing on the WhatsApp app. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, go ahead and check out the WhatsApp contact permission. Go ahead and press and hold the WhatsApp application from your Android phone and tap on App Info here. Now, once you're here inside the App Info, just need to scroll down and tap on App Permissions. Under this one here, you get the contact permissions. If you found that the contact app is the not allowed section, you just need to tap on this one and make sure it's allowed. And once you allow this one, the contact will get into the allow section. And once you do that, you will start getting the contacts in the WhatsApp application. Now, after doing this process, if you still have the problem, then press and hold the WhatsApp application again and tap on App Info. And then go ahead and tap on Clear Data at the bottom right and tap on Clear Cache. And go ahead and tap on OK here. And this will actually delete the WhatsApp cache, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then here's the last guide that you guys can follow. Go ahead and uninstall the application from your Android phone and reinstall it from the Play Store and try setting up your WhatsApp again, and most likely you will be able to get all the contacts on the WhatsApp application. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.